Yes guys, I'm afraid it's the Mark II floater boat, using an idea suggested by Doc Inc. It's funny how us old guys find so much pleasure in such a silly idea. Okay, in we go. So there we go, Doc. That's your idea of heating a plastic bottle. That's what we started with. Ginger beer, which happens to come in a brown bottle. So I heated that over the gas stove. Well, not that one, obviously. That one. Until it formed the right sort of shape, and then I added a few bits to give it a bit of colour effect. That's plasticene, or modelling dough, I suppose you could call it. Just thought that would give it a bit of colour. It's not perfect, but it's a little bit more irregular shaped than the Mark I floater boat. Still the same rubber band propeller assembly that I used on the original. That's been quite handy. That's 4 projects I think now that's been on. 4 or 5. I've hot glued it to the bottom of this, and then to keep it the right way up I've added that plasticene, as we call it, to weigh it down. Floater boat Mark II.